Welcome to the LaserMax guide rod installation video for the 1911. Before you begin, we recommend you wear safety glasses and observe proper gun safety. Press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Then, clear the chamber by pulling back the slide. Push the slide catch lever up to lock the slide in a backwards position. Now visually and physically check the chamber to ensure it's completely clear. Compress the recoil spring and turn the bushing with the bushing wrench provided. As you turn the wrench, slide your thumb to prevent the spring from accidental release. Slowly lift your thumb and release the spring. Remove the factory takedown lever. If needed, use a tool to compress the pin. You can then remove the slide from the frame. Line up the shock buff, laser, and cap assembly. Then insert into the slide with the crescent side facing the barrel. Reassemble the slide to the frame with the laser sight installed. Insert the LaserMax takedown lever. If needed, use the tool to compress the pin. Put the right side button in place. Tighten the screw with the Allen wrench supplied. Insert the laser spring with the recoil plug on top. Use the barrel bushing wrench to compress the spring and twist the barrel bushing in place. Point the pistol in a safe direction. Press the teardrop down to engage the laser. Up is off. We hope you found this video helpful and easily installed your LaserMax guide rod laser. If you have questions, please visit your local dealer or call 1-800-527-3600.